class, this is your teacher, Patty Medina. In this video, we will talk about the interface of Word. You will be learning new vocabulary. Okay, let's begin. In the far left upper corner, you will see these four buttons. And this area here is called the Quick Access Toolbar. Right in the middle here is the title bar. The name of the file will be displayed here once we save it. And then in the far right corner, you will see the close, restore, minimize button, maximize. And then this other little button, which is not available right now, I will show you how this one works. But for now, let's just go back to File. The File button will take us to the Backstage. If I click on File, we go to Backstage, and in the Backstage, we can open a new file, save this file, update any changes, share it, or even print it. All right, if we want to go back to the main document, you click the back button. Now we're back in the main document. Then we have our tabs. All of these are our tabs. You have the home, insert, design, page layout, and so on. Notice that every time I click on each one of the tabs, you have a different ribbon being displayed. So this is the ribbon for the home, and then if I click the insert, it will display a different ribbon. So you have different options and so on. Each tab will display different ribbons. All right, so moving along, here you can also see the ruler. The ruler is being displayed. You have the vertical and the horizontal rulers. If you want to hide your rulers, you can go to the View tab, click Ruler right next to the ruler, and remove the check mark. That'll hide your rules. If you want to display them, just click back on Ruler, and they will be displayed. I personally prefer to display my rulers. The other thing that you could hide would be your ribbons. If you want more space to work, you can hide the ribbon. Now, there's this button here in this corner. This button, no matter what tab I have open, it will always be available. But this button, when I click on it, will hide or collapse my ribbon. And this will allow me to have more space to work. See, if I want to recover my ribbon, I can use this little button here that I mentioned earlier, is the ribbon display option. If you click on it, you have three options. One is to auto hide. That means that when you point in that area, it will show, but once you move your pointer away, it will hide it. You can have it to show your tabs, which is the option that we have right now. And then you can show tabs and commands, which is the one that we had previously. It will show the ribbon as well as the tabs. Then the next thing we have is the insertion point. The insertion point is where the action takes place. If I begin typing, Word is ready to accept any text that I enter. If I want to move my insertion point to the next line, I can press enter, or I can use my pointer. Right now, see the pointer, it's an I-beam. And when you get the I-beam, you can click anywhere on the screen and move the insertion point to that location. So if I want to double click here, it'll move it here. Double click here, it'll move my insertion point to that location. And then you can start typing. Okay. Now with this text, I can show you how the scrolling bar works. If you want to scroll down in the far right corner, there's this one bar. You click, hold the click down, drag it down or up, and you will be able to see other areas of your file. All right, when you go to the desired location, just release the click.